That was awesome. Alright guys, happy bonfire night, and if I see any more fireworks, I'll show you. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for fireworks and then show you. So see you in a minute. Alright, there was another one. I'm just waiting for like repeated ones, so when I see like more of them I'll show you. Alright guys, I've been waiting out here for a while now, and it doesn't seem like there to be any like repeated fireworks like the first ones, so yeah, if I can I'll like catch like a few ones like going up like randomly, but I'll wait like a couple more minutes, and then if there isn't any more I'll just like kind of stop, because it is getting really cold out here. So yeah, I'll wait a few more minutes, see if there's any more. Okay. Alright guys, there don't appear to be any more, so I'm going to end it here, and yeah, I'll be doing more like videos like this, so like Halloween and all stuff, Christmas and all that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and if you didn't see any fireworks you can just watch this video, well you have if you've seen it. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.